Hi everyone, got a couple of padlocks here, a zone and a sterling. No key for the sterling, so I'll put that to one side for now. And this is the key for the zone. So I hope you can see the bitting is very reminiscent of the Bogata. So if I just get that last peak kind of in line with the shoulder, and we should be able to rake this open. Show you the lock working. It's a very nice lock, this actually. Okay, there's our pry bar on the pin side. Okay, so we get a false set quite quickly just with a bit of in and out. Now I'm going to just try and put the tool just at the right place, and it's just opened straight away. That was a surprise. Yeah, that was easier than expected. Don't ask me to do that again though. Okay, let's try the sterling. I'll try tension on the open side. Make sure I've got good access to the pins and Bogata. There we go, and it's opened almost straight away. There's a bit hit and miss, that one. Both of these locks have both defeated me in terms of single pin picking, so but as you can see, they're quite susceptible to the rake. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.